ubuyisela ubumnyama bami just because mhlambe yena uyima efile ubumnyameni emshadweni wakhe. And even now ukuthi mina ngazokhuluma kanje ithethe mina whatever problem oba nayo emshadweni wakhe akunini cause yalokho.
Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Welcome to Cushion News, guys. Oh, the drama it's never end. It's never gonna end, not anytime soon. And the battle between Khumalo no Macele, it's never gonna end as well. We can definitely agree now, Guti, this is a very big stone that is gonna take time really to break, and it's way deeper than what we just say, because we have noticed in the last event or in the last episode, Guti, it's more of Umacele having to talk about how she feels. But today, we also going to talk about how Khumalo, with all the allegations, has chosen to answer on her episode with Engineer with Dulungelo. Welcome to Cushion News, guys, and thank you for tuning in. It's always a pleasure to have you guys. And yes, I just thought for a moment you know what? Let me guys take you back to Umacele also expressing herself, because we can understand how these all things builds up. There's really a division between Khumalo and Macele, and most of it has been to talk about the baby or the child, about Khumalo's affairs, fertility things and all of that. And we know Umacele just laid it out there to Mzansi to know what is going on, because Khumalo has a child, and Nina Niti, you are bringing somebody to fall pregnant for her because she can't do that. How is that possible? Because Lomutulona, at the time, she was pregnant, and she was pregnant to your child. So all of these things that is going on, it doesn't make sense. Why are we serving Khumalo Kanjen? So Khumalo basically got a chance to answer for herself. She got a platform to speak up about how she feels, to speak up about everything that has been going on, the allegations and everything. And Khumalo, we can give her a round of applause and say, yeah, girl did really aid, because she really talked from a point of maturity and growing up, And if you go and watch it, you listen, Khumalo has clearly stated that in her response, she has said, Yena, she will never hide everything, or she cannot tell the world, so to say, everything and hide a bit of herself. So just because she didn't talk about something, that did not mean that she hid it. She just did not think, she just didn't want to talk about it, basically. But then also, Khumalo put on a platform, because remember, this is a reality show, and people really choose what they bring to people's attention, and that is very, very important. So in every questions that we've been having about Khumalo situation regarding the child that Umacele chosen to tell the public, Khumalo has answered the question based on that. So basically, Khumalo is saying, I do agree to Umacele allegations, to what Macele is saying. Still, it's not her place. It's not her place to talk about these things. And we can tell here in everything, I would say there is so much hatred from Umacele's side. Maybe all of this, it is coming from Uguti Tobile is more independent than Umacele, because this is more of like it's more of like, somebody is hating on the sister wife. I know some people will think also Khumalo is coming for Umacele, but in the episodes that we have seen, that we have watched, we have realized, or we have seen, what Umacele is holding, the grudge and the pain that she's holding against his wife. She just brings it to life. And in that, one of the recent one was that when she was talking to Umselegu regarding the pain, that basically just because Khumalo is now feeling the pain, it doesn't make any difference because she has been feeling the pain for so ever. So that is why she's just gonna lash up, say whatever, and everything. So that is basically it.
namhlanje ngoba naku usemkhulu uyaphinda futhi uzothini uyekiseleni ingane yabantu ngoba thina awusiyekisanga uma kumele wafika la ekhaya esebenzana la ungazange umyekise khona ukusebenza wayesebenzana.
There is so much switch of power here because from the angle where Umatele is in, she is seeing that Umakhumalo, because now she's got more money, because she's more independent, she is feeling that she can probably make rules or lead or make suggestions or all of those things because she is somewhere that she is she is somewhere in life where like abona khona she is independent, which now we can take it back and reference that and said, yeah, she was asked ukuthi ungono yini, and washo uMakhumalo ukuthi no, I am ngono, ngingaphezu kokuba ngono, and not in comparison of somebody else, but yeah, I am ngono vele. So that attitude, that's she knows it within herself ukuthi yo, yeah, she is the best. But also at the same time, it might be that her being the best, she's intimidating people who are in terms of work, who are a bit below her. They feel intimidated, and that is why she has been attacked mostly for the whole of this season. And if we have indeed been following Uthando Nesthembu, Umakhumalo has not been umuntu othusayo, honestly, because she was not the woman that she is now. She was just she was just, as she said, she's just a very respectable person, and she respects people as well. She acknowledges people as well, and she tries to put herself beneath other people and try and put herself in other people's shoes to understand the situations better. So there was never that chaos between them because she was that people's pleaser or abati pick me kind of person. But now there's so much shift from the person that she used to be and the person that she is now, and with that it has somehow brought ukuthi shakiness kancane kuMaqele, to the point that Umatele is feeling that she can air out Makhumalo's dad's laundry. Not to say that Umatele, when she feels like that, she shouldn't. At the same time, yeah, it's not hidden, but at the same time it is hidden if the public doesn't know about it. As far as I'm concerned, it is very hidden. That's it, guys, and honestly, Umakhumalo taking the stand to answer all the questions, we really do acknowledge this, and I think we got to understand Umakhumalo a little bit more, because what we see on Uthando Nesthembu is just a short, version of what is really going on. And some of the things, as they say, it's a reality show. Some of the things are cut, some of the things are edited. But when now she needs to answer the questions and speak, well, that's when we get to understand a whole lot more of Uthando of Umakhumalo. And Umakhumalo, she definitely did say that no, Yana, she's in the era of saying, if it's happening, it is. If akwenzeki futhi akwenzeki. So it's just weird, and she's very happy with the person she's becoming, with the person she has become. She is at peace, and that is just it. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.